I learned the Connect-a-thon to be a perfect opportunity where all companies come together to test their interoperability. It's all engineers, so that makes it a event which is lively, very hectic, but on the other hand it helps people to get their product in a better state, because as engineers you want to get it in the right state, and you want to get all the problems out because you need to test it and you need to prove that you have the right product. And the standards give you opportunity or choices where you need to make a choice, but that means that sometimes other people and other products make a slightly different choice. And that means that it doesn't fit. And then you need to change that. You need to learn from that. You need to understand that in the field you can see different things. And you need to cope with all the small different flavors that you can enter. And that is what makes the Connectathon always a nice place to see and learn from, because it means that it sharpens your mind, that the other things are not wrong, but are a different way of looking at the same text of the standard, and that is helping. So this one I think is a great opportunity, because if you look at India, India makes a big leapfrog from totally analog to digital, and should take a lot of the learnings that over the years have been gathered in the rest of the world and try to avoid the mistakes that were made in other places. And that, I think, is now the opportunity of having companies like Philips, GE, Siemens be here to help you and get that insight, because they have a lot of experience of the rest of the world and know a lot about that. And that helps to make that step and see, okay, what can we do and how should we do it? That is, I think, the big advantage of being here, giving that experience and doing it the same way as Connect-a-thon together, and see that we build something where it are no longer single products, but in principle products working together and giving a perfect opportunity to make it an easy way of dealing with data, avoiding mistakes, avoiding that images end up with the wrong patient and that kind of stuff, which is in principle always terrible to happen. As a big company, we have products here, and being called that the product doesn't work because of this is always very terrible. It's never nice if you sold a product and then hear that it doesn't work. And then to see that it are those small things, it's good to have it up front before the product goes to the customer, and then know that it is working correctly at the customer. It's doing it before it goes and learning there. And one, it avoids customers who are not happy, and also for us it's a lot, in the end, although it seems quite expensive, it's a lot cheaper to do it here and when it's at the customer, because that is never the right place to be solving issues.